Hi, this is Earth Parks Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the middle water duct on your Samsung dishwasher. If you need to purchase a new middle water duct for your Samsung dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The middle water duct sends water to the middle spray nozzle to clean dishes during the wash cycle. If the middle duct is clogged or broken, the spray nozzle may not spin or may not clean the dishes properly. This repair can be completed with the dishwasher installed. To begin, open the dishwasher's door. Then, pull the middle rack forward. The middle water duct and the middle spray nozzle assembly are located on the bottom of the middle dish rack. Before removing the duct, we'll first need to remove the middle spray nozzle assembly, which is held in place by a rotating coupler. To release it, twist the coupler counterclockwise, then pull the spray nozzle assembly down and out. The middle water duct is held onto the middle rack by two retaining clips, one here and one here. To remove, firmly press both retaining clips towards the back of the dishwasher. If you need to purchase a new middle water duct, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. For Samsung appliances, use the longer version of the model number listed on the tag, followed by a dash and then the version number if one is listed. For example, this dishwasher's full model number ends with a /AA-00. To install, line the tabs on the middle water duct to the retaining bars on the middle rack, then press until it snaps into place. Then, align the coupler on the middle spray nozzle to the middle duct assembly and turn it clockwise to secure. Finally, push the rack back into the dishwasher and close the door. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.